Yeah. My chipper. My wood chipper. Yeah. It don't run on gasoline. No. Runs on puppy chow. Well, I shouldn't call it puppy chow. It's wild rice or whatever. Dog food. Yeah. Yep. No gasoline. Yep, but my shredder, he goes to it. He probably could get up to maybe a 3-4 inch stick, I think. Yeah. 3-4 inches wide. Yeah. He's pretty big. He can handle a big old log if he'd only, you know, bring some to this pile. That'd work instead of robbing from it. Yeah. My girl. Yep, hard watch on next door. Yeah. Especially when the pups are right along the fence line. They're pups. Well, what do you think, huh? Have you had enough? I have.